Hi, good evening guys. I'm Krishna Yasser Rodriguez. We're Mr. Salt, Pilipinas, Pampanga. And I'm just so glad to meet you guys.
Sa Pilipinas, Tarlac Province. Let's proceed with the next one. Mr. sa Pilipinas, Pampanga. And this is, where is that? Yasser Rodriguez.
Maui, magbid ka.
So what I have right now is my pink shirt. So,
Maui!
This is like a shirt but for me, more than that.
Maraming na-excite.
So just a little bit story about this shirt. So last year I've been through like a really hard time. It's like the hardest hardship. Para sa akin yung sobrang hirap sa buhay ko. And apat kaming magkakapatid and I have this youngest brother na very nonchalant. Wala kang matatanggap gifts sa kanya. Mabait siya pero hindi siya yung tipong sweet. Yung hahag ka niya, yung makikinig siya sa'yo, ganun. And one time last year nakita niya I've been really having like a hard time and he knows my favorite color is pink. So he got me this shirt. It's not branded. So you guys might think it's expensive. It's not. No. And lagi ko siyang dinadala ever since. Kahit saan ako pumunta. I've been treating it like my lucky charm. Kaya sobrang hirap para sa akin na i-let go yung damit na ito. So lagi ko siyang dinadala. Pumunta akong Germany. Dala ko kahit di ko sinusuot. Pumunta akong Czech Republic. Dala ko. Hindi ko din sinuot. Last week, pumunta ako sa Manila para sa Mr. of Pilipinas. Nasa maleta ko to. Hindi ko siya sinusuot. Pumunta ako Singapore, hindi ko rin siya sinuot. Diba? But just to let you know guys, I wore this like once or twice for pictures. And then after that, di ko na siya sinuot. So, kung sino man yung bumili nito sa kasi yung youngest brother ko, he is my most favorite person in the world. Yun lang.